Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, November 19th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, moving average bounce, oscillator agreement. Inverted H, slingshot. 2-bar inverted H, area of resistance, Fibonacci, lightning to the downside.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 drop, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half of our gains, and I expect this to come down to the low of the day. If it gets down to the low of the day, we might punch out, and we might go back up with the market. So we'll see how close we get to the low of the day. We are going to get ready to punch out here in just a second. If we get down to the 97.25, we'll punch out, and then I got to swap the contract to go back up.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just swapped the contract out, and we're going back up with QQQ. We'll mark up our charts here in a bit. So we got in roughly around, I think it was 497.43 or 46 or something like that. So we're going to play it up for $1, and then we're going to punch out again, and then I'll mark up my charts.
Order filled.
And there was about a $1.25 move on this run, ladies and gentlemen. So let's clear my charts out and go over what happened. H pattern with slingshot. H pattern, H pattern. H pattern, lightning to the upside. So the first trade we took was $1.55 down. The second trade we went up at $1.25. So we're looking at $2.80 for the day, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.